Guys, how you doing? So today we are unboxing the Canon EOS 90D, and this is the 18 by 135 millimeter Ken's lit. And this was shipped to me internationally, so I don't have the tape right here because customs had to check it. But this is the package from Amazon. It starts at about $15.99 after taxes, a little over $1,700. And without further ado, here we go. So customs did have to look through this. You know, right at the top here we have the warranty from the manual. It is a bit heavy. Feels like a Harry Potter book. 90D neck strap, black and red. Very nice. This is the battery charger. Mind you, this is the first time I'm ever opening up a camera, so forgive me if I'm a little slow on calling these things out. The battery, first level. And down here is what I'm assuming is the camera body. Yes, it is. Here we go. Voila. And Canon Chapapa. Wow. Definitely looks better in person. Not too heavy. It feels good. Good in the hands. You know, right here. Let's pop a LCD. Love it, love it. Not a fingerprint in sight. And it is reversible. LCD touchscreen is reversible. I believe this does come, oh yes, it does have an in flash. Right here we have an in flash. All right, let's put this aside right here. Wrap. Woohoo! All right. Yeah, you can definitely tell customs put their hands on this. I don't have anything, guys. Wow. I don't know much about lenses, but this is a beautiful lens. It doesn't feel too heavy. This is the 18 by 135. Here we go, got auto focus, stabilizer. Lens cover, both sides. All right, so let's set this thing and see how it looks. I have the white dot right here, white dot right here on the lens. So I believe you put it in, hear that click, and we are good to go. It doesn't feel too heavy. I thought it'd be a lot heavier, but a good weight. I'm sure with the neck strap it'll feel even better. But this is the Canon 90D unboxing in 2021 for those of you who are curious. And this is the Amazon package of the 18 by 135 milliliter lens. Thank you for watching.